I will have to move my cones over here and transform my chiastic structure into a historical reality that moves from Jesus' resurrection to the restoration of all things done by Jesus Christ, from Ephesus to Smyrna to Pergamos to Thyatira to Sardis to Philadelphia and Laodicea. Where should I place the door then? The door is misplaced. Where should I put the door? The door is over here. And in between these cones, so it will not be misleading, history is happening. It's segments of history moving toward a finality. So Jesus is standing at the door. Some doors may be open. Maybe other doors are closed. He keeps calling in love, calling again, calling, knocking, and calling in love. Question is, how do you respond?